What is up, guys? Thomas Miata here. We got Justin, we got Frank, we got Zach. Kevin's gonna be on his way here. We are at Custom Tees Motorsports Park, where they are trying to set up a little bit of drifting in a pad in the back, and they may upgrade the asphalt in the future, so expect it to get better. So we're gonna go out there, throw some laps down, and have a good time. What'd you think of that?
Reckless.
Frank said that was reckless. What'd you think of that, Justin?
That was pretty wild.
Hell yeah, we were the center of attention there too. Everybody started running over. Fucking air, right?
Got hot.
Ah, is the car hot?
Yeah.
What did it get up to?
150.
Ah, you son of a bitch.
Nobody.
Don't hit the cone. Step 3, don't hit the cone.
Yeah.
You got it around, good job. All right, guys. Well, that last run was pretty entertaining. My throttle got stuck.
Looks like it's getting stuck on itself and it's trying to go back in.
Okay, well, we got a failure here we got to figure out. We'll be back with you shortly. What's good? Tell us about the car.
No Torque LS2K. On Instagram, it's a LQ9 with a Z01 supercharger. Should be about 650 to the wheel.
Heck yeah, man. It's pretty sweet. I'm digging it. Thank you. Look, I'm blind in the one. Hey, that's me too. I was blind in my left eye for a year.
You see all the cars up there, Devin? Oh, what, up there? Yeah. Oh, what, a bunch of people are out there?
Well, I'm gonna switch to the taxi real quick, burn some tires off before the storm comes. It starts raining on us. hits like 95, it's like, nope.
I told you.
You get 2 laps and then you gotta let it cool down.
Yeah.
Let her cool down.
Oh, yeah.
Done.
She's a little hot.
It's a good time. Oh,
We're getting ready to leave. Hey, it was a good time. Thank you for having us. Guys, check out Custom Tees. Obviously, you are going to be signing a waiver when you come here. And having a great effing time, I'd say. Oh, focus. Alrighty. See you on the next one.